Hey guys, have you ever braided hair before? The real question is, do you know how to braid? Listen, today I'll give you the tips and techniques so that you can have a successful braid. You know, with the background of me braiding ever since I was little, braiding my siblings' hair, I feel like I could teach somebody else how to braid some hair. It's fairly easy, but you know, I have a lot of people that ask me, how do you braid hair? Because every time I braid my hair, it doesn't stay in. Like, sometimes the braids fall out. They don't know how to measure the braid. You know, basically the main problem is unraveling. So I'm gonna show you guys this little quick process to show how you got the braids stay in like all day. You know, you could slay your life away, you know. So with that being said, I'm about to demonstrate a little 1, 2, 3 step braid. I do have my little sister here today. She wants the front of her hair braided. I have a lot of people with short hair that have the problem, so I'm gonna braid like the short piece of her hair just to see if it stays. So stay tuned. Okay, so the first step of braiding hair is first and foremost, make sure the hair is clean. Make sure the scalp is clean. There's nothing like a clean braid, let me tell you that. If the braid is clean, you know, the sharper the braid comes out. The cleaner the scalp looks, you know, the better the head looks regardless. So make sure like the hair is treated. You get your little conditioner, your little shampoo. The scalp is greased, or it doesn't even have to be greased, honestly, just as long as it's clean. So yeah, step 1 is make sure the hair is clean. Step 2, make sure you have some type of idea of how you want the braid to be, because believe it or not, each braid consists but so much hair. So like, that's probably why it unravels sometimes, because you got to know how much hair goes into one piece of hair, one piece of braid. Yeah, so measurement plays a big part. Let's see. Ask yourself, is this enough? Comb through the hair. Make sure there's no knots, no bubbles, no tangles, none of that in the braid, because that could affect how the braid looks. So hold this for me. Make sure the part's even. As I mentioned earlier, this is a short piece of her hair, so I want to make sure that like it stays like tight. So since it's a short piece, the braids are obviously going to be small. Make sure you comb through the hair like I mentioned. Measure it so each braid will be the same exact size. Step 4, I'll be showing you guys the 1, 2, 3 process. The 1, 2, 3 process method is a method I go by. As you see me do like a 1, 2, 3 pattern, you'll see how the braid is formed, and like you're basically braiding. So you taught yourself how to braid once you follow that little 1, 2, 3 process. So I'm about to show you guys. When I say 1, 2, 3, this is what I mean. You grab 3 pieces of hair. 1, 2, and 3. So you grab, raise this up a little bit. You grab 3 pieces. You do 1, 2, 3. You just keep going. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then like, I'm going to end it off right here. This is not how I'm going to leave it, but I'm going to just end it off right here. You could see like how the braid is. Prime example real quick. Just like regular braiding, like 1, 2, 3, like how you guys do the 1, 2, 3. That's all you have to do, but just grab it really tight in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You'll see the pattern form. So as you go through the process, you can see like how you form the braid and you develop a new skill. Other people braid differently, but that's as accurate as it's gonna get when it comes on the tight braid. So now that we came across that little 1, 2, 3 skill, hopefully you can teach on this braiding process. and make other lives easier. So I can't wait to see everybody rock their new braids. Hopefully this video helps them. Yeah. So if you need me to do y'all braids, let me know. So with that being said, go Cats.